Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the live market color for today, the 15th of August 2024. We're excited to have you all here. And very briefly, today we're going to be looking at the following currency pairs. And in the series, we're going to be starting off with the dollar index, and then we'll move to Euro USD. We're also going to analyze GBP USD, as we call it a day, for today's market color. All right, so do well to stay tuned to the end of this market color. Just so you know, this market color is brought to you by the Value Flow Trading team and powered by your favorite broker, our favorite broker, Opta. All right, so we're going to be going straight into the chart as we analyze the pairs we have for today. Okay, so we're starting off with the Dixie. And if you're looking at the Dixie from the daily time frame, we've seen that the Dixie has not made any clear decision on where it's going to the past couple of days. It has been in a range, right? So if you look at this range from here as the low end and here as the upper boundary, you see that the Dixie has been in this range for the past 7 days now, or 7 days plus now. So we're expecting to see it break out of this range and give clear direction, even though we still want to see the Dixie trade a little lower to some of the lows that we have, some of the lower points that we have all the way down here, somewhere around here. We're still expecting to see a short Dixie all the way to these levels. And when we see that, then we might be expecting the resumption of the weekly buy trend. Okay, so this is the weekly, or rather the monthly, rather. Okay, the monthly buy, which is from here to here. We might expect that resumption when price trades into this period. We might see some more sales on the Dixie. However, it still looks like a good place to buy from if you truly want to buy from there, because I mean, taking a critical look at this low that was taken out right here, you can see that on the weekly time frame, price did not close below it. Also, if you're looking at it from the daily time frame, you see that price did not close below this low right here. So I can't categorically say this is a clear break of structure to the downside. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, we're not yet as we were not yet bearish because this is the last buy structure, price hasn't closed below it. So one funny thing that may unfold going into the remaining part of the week is that we might even see the Dixie resuming its buy from here instead of here. Okay, it might resume its buy from the yellow line, which is around 101 spot 950, instead of 101 spot 000 level. Okay, so if looking at the Dixie for today or on intraday basis, we're already seeing that the Dixie is inching higher. Okay, it's giving signs that it would want to make another retracement going forward. Seeing that price couldn't close below here for the second time of testing, we might see it give some moves to the upside continuously. Okay, so I'll be looking out for that on the other time frames that we're looking out for. So we're seeing a break of structure on the lower time frame on the day for the Dixie. So we might be looking for a more bullish Dixie going into the remaining part of today. All right, so that is it. Dixie, we're looking bullish on it. Now let's look at Euro USD quickly. From the daily time frame on Euro USD, price is still within range of where we would want to see a sell, right? At this other block on the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame rather, there's a daily order block right there, and price is just trading inside of it. We would want to see if this is going to be the rejection of price. Okay, so remember a couple of days ago, a couple of weeks ago actually, we had this daily order block as a point of interest for price, and we're saying if we see price drive into this level, we might use that as our sell point. But because price took quite a while since February or so, we didn't even pay attention to this. So looking at it this morning, we were able to see that price is now inside of this order block and is trading away from it. So it traded into it yesterday, but didn't close inside and it's trading away from it. So that shows us that it looks like a sign of a rejection from that level. You can see how the 4-hour candles close. It closed as an inverted hammer, as a doji first, then another trip into that level, and then closed as an inverted hammer. So I'm looking more bearish on Euro USD on the day. I'm looking to sell Euro USD on the day. Now let's look at 15 minutes time frame. Let's see if we're going to get any entry for any entry patterns. On the 15 minutes time frame, there's no clear entry pattern So what I would usually do in this kind of scenario is to wait for my entry signatures. When I see my entry signatures forming on 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes or the 1 hour, I'll be willing to short Euro USD. Euro USD is in a very good place, very, very good place to sell. Right? It's at premium. We're looking to short Euro USD. And where is our target? At least for starters, our target for Euro USD sell will be the following places where I'll drop some orange lines on 1.0941 and then 1.09957 at first, then 1.09413 secondly. Okay, so these are the two levels I would want to short Euro USD to. So I'm very big on Euro USD short. Then afterwards, we might be looking at it to go into some deeper discounts around this level 1.08484. All right, so Euro USD, I'm looking forward to sell positions on Euro USD. And then lastly, GBP USD, looking at it on the daily time frame. GBP USD doesn't have any momentum. Looking at it right now, on the daily time frame, we could see that the thing that Euro US is doing right now is what GBP USD had done some time ago. You can see the same daily order block right here. Euro US, GBP USD has tapped into it and sold off. So we're expecting Euro USD to make this kind of sell. So my trade on Euro USD is most likely going to be a swing trade. All right. And I'm expecting GBP USD to also follow suit going forward. So GBP USD, I'm expecting a sell. Very, very bearish on GBP USD. I'm expecting some more sales going forward. Looking at where price currently is, it's a good place to sell. We've violated the high of Asia. When I say violate, I mean we've taken out the high of Asia. So we're expecting some sales to the downside going forward. So GBP USD, I'm looking forward to seeing sell patterns to show. We're waiting for microstructure to form. Once I see microstructure on GBP USD, I'll be willing to go short on GBP USD. Now, I might not be selling GBP USD as much as Euro USD because GBP USD has already given me the swing that I'm expecting on Euro USD. So my point of interest for GBP USD short is going to be quite small compared to that of Euro USD. So I'm looking out for this level right here. 1.28135. So this is my first target, first and only target for GBP USD short. And when price breaks this level, I'll also be looking at this level as another target for price. The price breaks these two levels, then we'll now be looking to go short for GBP USD all the way here, at least. Okay. So these are the two things that I'm looking out for. Euro USD sell, which is looking very ripe. GBP USD sell, which is looking also ripe for London session short. Okay. So we'd like to know if there are any questions before we call it a day for today's market call. Okay, so today we're supposed to be analyzing commodity currencies, AUD, USD, NZD, USD, and USD CAD. We're also supposed to be looking at US stock indices, US 30, US 100, and S&P 500. But unfortunately, the two people who are supposed to handle that are a bit under the weather, so we're covering for them. So this is just to let you know, so in case you are missing them or you're missing your favorite analysts on the floor, they're a bit under the weather, and once they are feeling well, we would resume market color. Okay. All right. So in the absence of any question, we're going to call it a day today. Sure, they were here. All right. We're going to call it a day today and wish you all good luck and good trading. Remember, we still have our courses available. If you're looking for a synthetics course to be able to make so much profit from the dairy synthetics market, you can do up sign up for our synthetic indices course, the ATM cash flow. And it's very beginner friendly, especially for those who have not traded before or have traded but then have lost confidence. This is going to be a very systematic lesson for you so that you can kickstart your trading career once again. Now, if you want to get basic understanding of how we trade the forex market like this and how we analyze it, also using market structure and price action, you can always sign up for our FX Bootcamp course where we'll teach you all this, including risk management and psychology lessons that you'll be able to use to scale up your trading and also remain in the game for a long run. And then finally, if you want to learn how to analyze the market using sentiment so that you can combine sentiment and technical analysis, then you can also sign up for our value flow model courses, and you choose the sentiment that you want, and we're going to have a one-on-one class with you to explain that clearly to you. All right. So this will be the end. We also have our forex trading bots for sale. We have the Sterling Scalper, we have the Dr. Bill's GU bots, we have the Fund Manager and the Truth here. They are all available, doing very well for the various accounts that they've been trading on. If you want to get any of them, do have to reach out to us. We have our WhatsApp number 081 60 99 50 30, or send us a DM on Telegram or on Instagram, and we'll follow you through from there. Okay. I want to meet again tomorrow, this afternoon by 3 p.m. Remain blessed.